This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a rights issue in the same stock, i.e. the right but not the obligation to buy new shares in the same stock. In this example, we will process the TUI Rights Issue. TUI shareholders had the right to buy 10 shares for every 21 owned at an offer price of €2.15 per share. The subscription period that the rights could be taken up was from the 8th to the 26th of October 2021. The ex-date when the shares were credited to client accounts was the 2nd of November 2021. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 3 for Rights Issue Same Stock. If the rights issue cannot be sold and is classified as non-renounceable, then set the Reorganisation Types ID to 5. Both types create the same outcome, with the only difference being the classification of the event. Set the record date to the date that the client took up the rights. In this example, we will set the record date to the 8th of October 2021. Set the ex-date to the 2nd of November 2021, or the date that your clearer issued the shares. Set the new issue ratio to 10 and the old issue ratio to 21 to implement a 10 for 21 issue ratio. There will be no fractional entitlement, therefore set the fractional value to false to round down fractional holdings, and set the fractional return value to false as there are no fractional entitlements to be returned. Set the offer price and currency to €2.15. Add a description and leave the remaining fields at their default value. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. In this example, the client bought 1,000 TUI shares for €2,150. After the rights issue, that position was increased by 476 shares at a cost of £870.45, i.e. 476 shares at an offer price of €2.15 multiplied by the euro-pound exchange rate on the 2nd of November 2021.